Hello Tribalmakers, I'm Malev and welcome to my channel. I believe that every person should dance, no matter who you are, how old you are, what time is it, what's your fitness level is, what's your dance background is. It doesn't matter. We all deserve to dance, enjoy, and celebrate life through dance. Now in today's practice combo, we're going to learn an intermediate advanced fusion belly dance combination. It's 4 sentences, 32 counts, a fun follow along tutorial. Make sure before we begin that you give me a thumbs up and that you're warmed up, that you have a glass of water nearby, and let's begin with the practice. We begin the first 8 counts with our feet turned to one direction, our body follows, and for 4 counts we're going to do a shimmy while raising our arms up on the count of 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to add this little palm wave on the count of 4. You don't have to. You can just do 1, 2, 3, 4, or the way that I like to style it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. From here, we're going to turn. Our arms are going to be in this position. So I'm taking one hand and putting it next to the elbow, beneath the elbow. Check what's better for you, what you're feeling more comfortable with. And we're going to turn with our palm facing the ceiling here. One is facing the floor and the other one is facing the ceiling. This is more of a fusion style. It's taking a little bit of Persian dancing. You can also see this kind of arms positioning in Indian dance, but specifically this is more Persian vibe. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. We're crossing into a cross turn. So one leg is on top of the other in a cross, and we're turning here on 5, 6. And on the 7, 8, we're opening our arms to the side on 7, 8. So let's do the whole sentence together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the same thing to the other side. So our feet are facing a little bit to the side here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's continue. The second sentence, we're going to do some level changes. We're going to go down on the count of 8. So we're going down. And on the third sentence, we're going to go up. So they go together, the second and third sentence. On top of it, we're going to layer some mayas. So we're going down with a maya and we're going up with a maya. So it's going to be 8 counts down, 8 counts up. And on top of it, we're going to add our arms. So when we're going down, we're taking our arms down on the count of 8. And when we're going up, we're going to raise our arms up on the count of 8. Now, when you're doing level changes, it's sometimes a little rough on the calves and the Achilles here. So make sure that you do a little bit of stretching. Make sure you're not going directly into your maximum spot. Be wherever it is that you're feeling comfortable. You will feel your quads working here. And for the calves, do a little bit of stretching before and after that, especially if you go a lot on releves or if you're dancing on heel, make sure that you're stretching your calves and your Achilles. A very simple stretch to do is basically just to take your foot back and both feet face the same direction and play here a little bit and increase the distance every time. You can bend your knee a little bit, it will go, you'll get deeper into your calves like this. Make sure you're feeling comfortable, make sure that your heel is on the floor, that the toes are facing the same direction. And again, when you're stretching and whenever it is that you're trying out a new movement, make sure that you're not overdoing it. I mean, if you're feeling that you passed the point where your muscles can hold you, go back a little bit and come back to it in another time. Again, it's a practice. We're practicing, we're learning new things here. So don't go into your maximum. When we're going down, go wherever it is you're feeling comfortable and feel comfortable to go up, because going down and not feeling comfortable and falling back is not what we're looking here. And also, if you're not feeling comfortable going down because something with your calves or something with your heels is not here, you have some sort of injury, you can just do the mayas. You don't have to do the level changes. So let's do the level change. Our feet are basically hip distance apart, parallel to each other. We move our weight slightly forward into our toes, and then we lift our heels and we're going down on 8 counts. And we're going up on the next 8 counts. So again, I'm taking my weight a little bit forward, lifting my heels, and I go down, and I go up. And yes, this is a workout. Nobody said that belly dance is not a workout. So on top of this, we're going to add a Maya. So let's add the Maya. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And I go up to my toes here. I really go up because I want this level change. And in the next sentence, I want this down beat on the next sentence. But this is the next sentence. Let's stay in the second and third. So from here, we're going to take our arms down on the count of 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. This action with our arms actually helps us to go down and to go up, because mentally we're focusing on the down and then we're taking our arms up. So play with it a little bit, make sure you're feeling comfortable. Let's do it when we're starting the Maya to the other direction, and pay attention where it is that you're feeling more comfortable. It could be that you're feeling more comfortable starting the Maya to one direction or maybe to the other. It's okay, we're all not quite symmetrical. With time, you're starting to fix it and make sure that both sides get the same amount of workout. This is why all of my combinations, my practice combinations are symmetrical, because we need to work on both sides and not just one of them. So let's do the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's do the whole combination from the beginning. So we have 3 sentences so far. We're going with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do it to the other side. So our feet facing the side a little bit here, and we're shimmy. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 6, 7, 8, and Maya with the arms down, and Maya with the arms up. Good. Let's continue. So remember that in the last part, I told you to go up on your toes when you're raising your arms up. This is why, because on the first count, we're going down and into a shimmy while taking our arms down on the count of 8 and opening our arms to the side. So there's this little drama going on when you're going down here. So again, we finished with our arms up after the Maya, and we're taking a deep breath here, going down into a shimmy. And we're doing a palm wave with our arms till the count of 7, 8, when we're opening our arms to the side and we're ready to start the whole combination again. Now, when you're taking your arms down, pay attention that in the elbows there is minimum movement here. So this part is going down as one unit, and the palm of the arm, the palm of the hand is moving from one side to the other, and most of the movement is in your wrists here, so make sure that you warmed up your wrist before that. Let's shake our arms, and again we're going up and we're down, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's do the whole combination from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and Maya. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's play with the music. Feet facing one direction. Breathe. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maya. 2, 3, 4, and up. 6, 7, 8. Down. Shimmy. Smile. Breathe. Let's move to the other side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Maya down. Up, focus, shimmy. Other side. Turn, open, Maya. this. If you did, please take the time to like and subscribe to my channel. I upload new Tuesday combos every Tuesday, so make sure to check the other ones up, mix and match them, and create your own dances. Take care. I'll see you next week. And remember, life is too short, so enjoy it. Bye!